Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and picture books. Today is Friday. Yeah, that's right, it's Friday. It's day 23 of the 30-day drawing challenge. This is the final week. I'm going to try to get through this. Now today, I think I'm going to do a drawing here of, let's see, oh yes. I'm going to be sketching the character of Lullabelle from my Wild West webcomic, Poison Ivy Gulch. She's a saloon girl. Alright, let's see here. She'll be the second saloon girl along with Lorraine. She's a blonde. Alright, we're going to do a big drawing of her. Now, start with kind of with a rounded pie wedge here. Just going to be drawing more of a bust shot of her. All right. Not unlike Lorraine, the eyes here are conjoined. Let's sketch those in. I don't make her nose as pointed as Lorraine's. Okay, I like to give her some nice curly blonde hair. I have yet to do color artwork of Lullabelle. I'll probably have to do that in a future video. Alright, let's add on, she wears a choker there. Alright, let's add in her breasts. She wears a bit more of a frilly dress. Probably when I do color art, it'll either be red or more of a pinkish red, or maybe even just a plain pink. Alright, here we are. Alright, so yeah. Just tighten this up a bit. Alright, shut that off. Here we go, there's a sketch of the lovely Lullabelle found in the saloon at Poison Ivy Gulch. Let's sign it. That's it for today's drawing. Join me next time for more. Hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Also, I want you to make sure you check out Poison Ivy Gulch at poisonivygulch.com. The link is below. Until next time, friends, bye-bye.